Kays here. I just wanted to chat with you a little bit today, give you a tip. I find that sometimes people are overspending or underspending when it comes down to purchasing hair extensions simply because they don't know the weights of the bundles that they're purchasing. Some companies, they'll sell standard 3.5 ounce bundles or standard 4 ounce bundles. Here at Black Velvet Hair, we provide single donor Indian hair extensions. So some of our bundles, they weigh up to 6 ounces in one bundle. It just kind of depends on what you're choosing. But you may overspend sometimes if you're just assuming that you're going to need 4 bundles to achieve a full look. You need to know how much your bundles are weighing because, like I mentioned, 6 ounces all on one weft may be enough coverage for you, especially if you're one of the young ladies that don't like it to look like you have hair extensions in. So just make sure that you know exactly how many ounces each of your bundles weigh so you don't overspend or underspend. So with that being said, I wanted to show you all 2 examples of bundles that we have. They both are 20-inch bundles. Both are classified as wavy textures, but they weigh differently. Here they are. These are 2 Indian wavy bundles. I'm going to show you the weights of them both. This is the first one. This one is weighing 3.9 ounces. This is the second one, and this one is weighing 6 ounces.